Social media is a big part of modern life. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter are used by millions of people every day. While social media can help us connect with others, learn new things, and even grow careers, it also has a dark side. Many experts believe that social media is now one of the main causes of laziness and mental stress in people of all ages. 1. The habit of endless scrolling. One of the biggest problems is endless scrolling. People open apps just to check something quickly, but end up spending hours going through videos, photos, or posts. This habit makes us lazy because our brain gets used to short-term pleasure. Instead of doing important tasks like studying, exercising, or working, we keep scrolling for just 5 more minutes, which often turns into hours. A 2021 study published in the journal Computers and Human Behavior found that people who spent more time scrolling on social media were more likely to delay tasks and feel tired. This is called digital procrastination. 2. Short videos and reduced attention. Apps like TikTok and Instagram Reels use short videos that are fast and entertaining. While these may seem fun, they train the brain to expect everything quickly and easily. As a result, people lose the patience to do tasks that take longer time, like reading, learning, or working on big projects. Our brain starts to crave more quick fun instead of deep focus. 3. Useless content overload. Much of the content people watch online is not useful. Funny videos, gossip, memes, or meaningless trends can entertain for a moment, but add no value. When we spend hours consuming this kind of content, we are using our energy and time on things that don't help us grow. This can cause a feeling of emptiness or guilt later on. After watching useless content for hours, people often say, "I wasted my day," which adds to mental stress. 4. Mental burden and anxiety. Social media shows a filtered version of other people's lives. Everyone looks perfect, happy, and successful. This creates pressure on the mind. We start comparing our normal life with their highlight reel. This can lead to low self-esteem, stress, and even anxiety. A report by the Royal Society for Public Health, UK, found that platforms like Instagram and Snapchat are strongly linked to poor mental health, especially in young people. 5. Sleep problems and tiredness. Many people use social media late at night, especially while lying in bed. The blue light from screens disturbs sleep, and the exciting content keeps the brain active. As a result, people sleep late, feel tired the next day, and have less energy to do their daily work. This creates a cycle of laziness and poor focus. The Sleep Foundation says screen time before bed can reduce the amount and quality of sleep, which affects memory, mood, and productivity. 6. Lost time and productivity. Even though it feels like we are relaxing, social media takes away our most important resource: time. The hours we spend online could be used for learning, exercising, creating, or resting properly. Over time, this lost time builds up, and we realize we've not achieved much. This feeling adds to mental pressure. Just 2 hours a day on social media means over 700 hours a year, nearly 30 full days. 7. How to reduce the harm. To fight laziness and mental stress caused by social media, we must take control of our usage. Here are a few simple tips. Set time limits using app timers. Follow useful accounts, like educational, motivational, or skill-based pages. Unfollow useless or toxic content. Take breaks. Try a social media detox for a few days. Use your phone after important work, not before. Social media is powerful. It can teach, connect, and inspire. But if not used wisely, it becomes a trap of laziness, wasted time, and mental burden. By understanding its effects and using it with care, we can protect our mind, save our time, and live a more focused and healthy life.